In front of me is OnePlus Nord to 5G, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and reach backup and reset. And here click on erase all data, where you will notice erase downloaded apps and their data. So mark it here, provide your password, PIN code, whatever, and click on erase data. Confirm it by using the same tab. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Just provide your PIN and you can smoothly use your device. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.